My name is Mitchell Bonnema. I am the lead artist at Critical Bit. We founded Critical Bit 7 years ago now. In the last few years we started focusing more on apps. Blockout was actually created out of the idea that we are now in an old prison building, and there's a lot of tours going on here, people with a tour guide who explains everything. And the owners of this prison were like, hey, what can we do to sort of get a younger generation to be interested in this? So they contacted us and some other parties as well, and we cooperated and created an app called Blockout. A number of places you can scan throughout the building. It's quite a large building. When you scan these places, you get information, or you get puzzles or 3D renders in augmented reality on your phone. So we try to combine a fun puzzle experience with the actual history of the building itself. We start working on something called Fighting Trainer. When a professional fighter asked us, like, hey, is it possible to create an app where people can train when, I don't know, sitting in a bus or when they're at home? Instead of constantly having to train themselves, they can just use it as a reference point. You can click on a move and you see a 3D character performing the exact move that the martial artist that we worked together with did in the motion capture studio. Yeah, about 100 moves now, and I believe 3 million downloads since a few months ago. Though it was free at first, we wanted to gain some money from all the time we spend on it. So we were like, okay, we have quite a few users. How can we be less intrusive than having pop-ups constantly with, you can buy this stuff? Admix sounded very interesting because it was seemingly easy to use when we read about it. When we tried some stuff, like trying to implement it just this morning, within half an hour, I believe my colleagues had things running.
We have integrated the Admix plugin, and my experience with it is really easy to use. It is just click and play, actually. It helps with the whole setup. You just create an account, you download the plugin, you log in. I have been messing about with dynamic lighting on the ads, and I think it's really cool that you can have the ads react on lighting, because currently we are stuck with simple banners, and you can't do anything with that in terms of lighting or colorization on it. As far as integrating what is there, it's really easy to use.
The thing is, with lots of ad-related systems, some of the features are unclear or undocumented. And as far as I've seen with Admix, it was pretty easy to get in touch and actually implement the thing in a rapid time, basically.